So students, today's session we are going to study a new chapter, haloalkanes and haloarenes. This is organic chapter 1. Okay. So this is first of all, what do you mean haloalkanes? Haloalkanes means the replacement of hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon by halogen atoms as a result in the formation of alkyl halide, that is haloalkane. Okay, so here you see that haloalkanes means this halogen atom attached to alkyl group. So this is a methyl group. Methyl group is a alkyl group. This methyl group attached to one halogen, that is haloalkanes or alkyl halogens. Okay, right. So the same time, this is for two carbon atom ethyl bromide or bromoethane. So here the bromine attached to this alkyl group, that is called haloalkane or alkyl halogens. Okay, so the halogen, the X denoted as fluorine or chlorine or bromine or iodine. Okay, this is for alkyl halide. Next one, the same time, haloarenes. So second, what do you mean haloarenes? The aryl group attached to the halogen atom, that is called haloarenes. Okay, so here the X, any halogens attached to aromatic ring, we can get the haloarenes. Okay, this is for benzene ring. This benzene ring, the chlorine is attached, halogen like chlorine is attached, so this is chlorobenzene. Okay, so haloalkanes and haloarenes means when a alkyl group attached to halogen atom, that is called haloalkanes. When a aryl group attached to halogen atom, that is called haloarenes. Okay, students, here you see that is methyl group. How can you write for this? See, hydrogen and here hydrogen and here hydrogen. Okay, this is, so this is for chloromethane. Okay, this chloromethane, this carbon atom and also this halogen attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is for sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, because of this carbon attached to this halogen is a all single bond. Okay, so this is haloalkanes means the bonded with the particular halogen attached to the carbon atom with sp3 hybridization. Okay, so here haloarene means here the lone pair of electrons present. So this pair of electrons shifted to here and pi bond delocalization takes place. That is, this is sp2 hybridization takes place. Okay, here see here this is sp2 hybridization because this pi bond shifted to here. Okay, shifted to here. Okay, that is sp2. This is for sp2 hybridization takes place. Okay, so next one, classification. Okay, classification first of all on the basis of number of halogen atoms. Okay, haloalkanes, that means alkyl halides, again classified into three types: monohaloalkanes and dihaloalkanes and polyhaloalkanes. Okay, monohaloalkanes means when an alkyl group attached to only one halogen atom. Okay, alkyl group attached to only one halogen atom. Let me take an example for CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Okay, chloroethane. Okay, so like that. The dihaloalkanes means when alkyl group attached with two halogens, that is called dihaloalkanes. Polyhaloalkanes means more than 3 or 4. Okay, that is polyhaloalkanes. Okay, halogen attached to whether maybe tri, tetra, etc. Okay, this is for classification on the basis of number of halogen atom attached to the alkyl halides. Okay, the same time haloarenes, monohaloarenes, dihaloarenes, polyhaloarenes. Okay, so first of all, monohaloarenes means benzene ring attached to only one halogen atom. Okay, so this is bromobenzene. Okay, at the same time here, bromine. Okay, first position, second position, 1,2 bromobenzene, dibromobenzene. Here you see that this is bromine and bromine. Okay, 1, 2, 3 tribromobenzene. Okay, so this is the first one on the basis of number of halogen atoms. Okay, so halo compounds further classified into two categories, that is compounds containing sp3 hybridization. Okay, so that is the halogen attached to the carbon atom containing sp3 hybridized. Okay, the second one compounds containing sp2 hybridization, because of this halogen bonded with that carbon atom attached to sp2 hybridized. Okay, so the first one, compounds containing sp3 hybridization, again classified into three. The first one, alkyl halide or haloalkanes. Second one, allylic halide. Third one, benzylic halide. Okay, the first one, alkyl halide or haloalkanes. That is, halogen atom is bonded to one alkyl group. This R represent, that is any alkyl group, that is methyl group or ethyl group like. Okay, so that is the directly this halogen attached to the alkyl group. Okay, then it form homologous series. It represented by the formula CnH2n plus 1x. Okay, so further this classified into three types based on the nature of carbon to which the halogen is attached. Okay, so there are, first of all, primary haloalkyl halide, because here you see this halogen atom bonded with this carbon containing two hydrogen atom with one alkyl group, that is called primary alkyl halide. Okay, so secondary alkyl halide, that is this halogen atom bonded with this carbon containing one hydrogen atom with two alkyl group, that is called secondary alkyl halide. Okay, the tertiary alkyl halide, there is no hydrogen. This halogen directly bonded with this carbon atom with three alkyl group, that is called tertiary alkyl halide. Students, how do you find this is primary and this secondary and tertiary? So suppose the CH2, any halogen atom attached to this carbon containing two hydrogen, that is primary halide. Okay, the same time the halogen attached to single hydrogen, that is CH group, that is secondary halide. Okay, there is no hydrogen group, that is tertiary halide. Okay, allylic halides. Okay, halogen atom is attached to one sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so that is allylic carbon. Okay, allylic means allylic halide. Here, that is this halogen atom attached to sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. This is called allylic position. This allylic positions, this halogen atom is attached, that is called allylic halide. This is for aliphatic haloalkane. Okay, this is aryl ring attached to the halogens. Okay, this halogen attached to that carbon containing next to the carbon-carbon double bond. This is what the allylic position. Okay, you see here this halogen group, this is sp3 hybridized carbon next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, this is for allylic position. Okay, ஒரு ஹாலஜன் வந்து sp3 ஹைப்ரிடைஸ்டு கார்பனுக்கு அடுத்து நெக்ஸ்ட் உள்ள கார்பன் கார்பன் டபுள் பாண்டை இது பண்ணுறது தான் வந்து என்னது அலைலிக் ஹாலைடு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இட் மே பி சிங்கிள் பாண்டு. the halogen attached to the carbon, that is a single bond, that is sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, so double bond, this is sp2 hybridized. Triple bond, that is sp hybridization. Okay, this also already you studied in our 11th standard. Okay, next one, benzylic halide. Benzylic halide means halogen atom is attached to one sp3 hybridized carbon next to one aromatic ring. You see here, this halogen atom attached to this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized carbon next to the aromatic ring, that is called benzylic halide. Okay, this is CH2. No, this CH2 position is represent, this is a primary position. Okay, primary aryl halide. Okay, this is for this halogen atom attached to carbon containing one hydrogen with two alkyl group. This is secondary aryl halide. Okay, see here, this is carbon, the halogen bonded with this carbon atom, there is no hydrogen group, that is alkyl group with benzene ring, that is absence of hydrogen atom, this is that is tertiary aryl halide. Okay, right, this is for benzylic halide. Okay, compound, next compounds containing sp2 hybridization, that is two, that categorized with two types, vinylic halide and aryl halide. Vinylic, so vinylic positions, that is halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a carbon-carbon double bond. You see here, this halogen atom that is present carbon-carbon next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so in the halogen atom வந்து bonded with sp2 hybridized carbon of carbon-carbon double bond. This is called vinylic halide. The same thing, this halogen atom present the carbon-carbon double bond. This position is called vinyl. Okay, vinylic position. The halogen is attached to that, that is vinylic halide. Okay, right. Aryl halide. Aryl halide means, that is halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring. Straight away the halogen bonded with aromatic ring, that is called aryl halide or aromatic halide. Okay, so overall, first of all, what do you mean haloalkane? Haloalkane means simple, the halogen group Cl attached to the, that is alkyl group, that is called haloalkane. Okay, the otherwise it is alkyl halide. Okay, the next one, what is that? Aryl halide, aromatic ring. This is benzene ring. Okay, so this benzene ring attached to that halogen atom, that is called aryl halide. Okay, that is aromatic halide or aryl halide. Okay, next the classification based on number of halogens attached to the carbon atom, that is monohalide, dihalide or trihalide. Okay, in case the halogen atom is attached to aromatic ring, that is mono or di or tri aryl ring, aryl halides. Okay, right. Next one, that is again the mono compounds classified into according to the basis of hybridization, that is compound containing sp3 hybridization and compound containing sp2 hybridization. sp3 hybridization, that is again classified into alkyl halide. Alkyl halide means, that is very important, that is primary alkyl halide, secondary and tertiary. Primary means, that is carbon contain halogen atom bonded with two hydrogen atom with one alkyl group, that is primary position. The secondary means halogen bonded with carbon containing only one hydrogen with two alkyl group. Okay, tertiary, there is no hydrogen. Keep it in that in your mind, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. After that, allylic halide, benzylic halide, vinylic halide and aryl halide. Okay, okay children, this is your classification of haloalkanes and arenes. Okay.